Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And last time we had numbers for Windows 11 and Windows in general was in April. Well, now we have numbers for June for Windows 10, Windows 11 market share. And Windows 11 is now, according to AdDuplex system, 23.1% of the PCs monitored. So it's up 3.4% since April, which is kind of a slow growth, basically. Now, we talked about the different numbers from different vendors. There is also another number that is a little lower, but is more like at 17%. There's Steam with the gaming that is close to 20%. I think it's somewhere in there where Windows 11 is, probably lower than the 23% here, but certainly not that far from 20% usage. But it's not growing very fast. And of course, the minimum requirements are not helping in having Windows 11 really get a good adoption rate, that's for sure. The most popular version of Windows right now at 38.2% is 21H2 for Windows 10. And that, of course, has been gaining from the 20H2 version that is now gone, and or end of support. And, of course, there's 21H1 at 23.9. That slowly probably is moving to 21H2 on some machines. We know that in a couple of months or a few months from now, we're going to have 22H2 that's going to be there. So that's also going to be something to look at when it actually arrives. But kind of interesting. If we look at Windows 11 at 23.1 here, certainly not growing very fast, but it certainly has, some market share for sure. It will be interesting to see also if Windows 11 22H2 with its new features and a few things that it rearranged can make this go a little faster. Now remember, AdDuplex actually checks these numbers by monitoring 5,000 apps from the Microsoft Store, and basically that probably gives an idea of Windows 11, but it doesn't necessarily give a good idea because not everybody goes to the store for apps. So these numbers are to take, but kind of observe different market share numbers from different companies to get a real good idea of this. Considering that 1.5 billion computers are running Windows, according to Microsoft. So these are the latest numbers. It's still, growing slowly, but it definitely is growing slowly when you look at the numbers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.